Hello everyone, you're exactly here for one reason, because you wanted to see the most versatile monopod on this planet, as far as I know. That's my personal opinion, by the way, since I'm using this great piece of equipment for about 4 years. I've done a review a long time ago about it, but it's so nice, it helps me every day, so I decided to do another one. So that here is a monopod. A pretty light one because it's made of carbon. However, the lower part, which is also a mini tripod, is a little bit heavier. No worries about it. I'll show you exactly what you can do. So down here are these legs, which you can adjust in 3 different heights. So that is the first step, second one, and they easily clip in and fit in, and you can unlock it using these red switches here, zack, and then you can fold it back in, and that's super easy for transportation. And what I can do now is pretty cool, because I do have a quick release plate up here, which is this one here. It features 2 screws in one, so I can use that on my camera very quick and put it onto this monopod. I can adjust the height up to 120 centimeters, and there are different versions allow you to go even higher. The cool thing is that you do have a small tripod down there, which allows you to take off your hands and the camera is still standing still. I wouldn't recommend do that in heavy wind conditions. However, that works for the sport field most of the time, and if you want to film yourself. So it's pretty easy and quick to make the monopod small again, get rid of the quick release plate, and now we come to the special part, because you can get rid of this monopod and use, for instance, your phone to record yourself while taking an interview, doing sports, or just for selfies. So that is an iPhone 13. I just got the smartphone holder here, which is pretty nice because you can turn it in both directions. Link is listed in the video description, and here on the side you do have an additional cold shoe to attach an external microphone, a video light, or anything else. What I can do now, I can put it back on. Then I can adjust my phone in any direction I want. I can film also this direction to take a time lapse, for instance, of the moving clouds, or I record myself, and if I need to go a little bit higher, no problem at all. Now, no problem to record myself while doing some cool exercises. Link is listed in the video description below. This is the carbon version. There are different versions available as well. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are more expensive. I will link all in the video description below. And if you only want to get that small mini metal tripod, no worries, that is available in a single version also, so you don't need to get the monopod. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Telegram. See you very soon, und tschüss.